Hey guys, welcome to Fantastic. This is Minaz. In this video, I am sharing more than 20 indoor activities that I have done with my 3 years old son named Arish. I think these activities are great for all toddlers and preschoolers around age between 2 to 5 years. Just modify difficult level according to the age and will definitely helps to keep them entertained with very minimal setup. First activity we have done using masking tape. Here I have made square on the floor using masking tape and asked him to jump from one square to another. This activity is very good for fine motor skills and kids will enjoy too. You can even make some alphabets, number or shape on floor and tell child to run and jump on it. He even used this as a racing track for a car. Next up we have color sorting activity using building blocks. He has to segregate blocks according to color and keep them on different boxes. Up next, again using building blocks. This is our favorite one. Tell them to make something like a car, house, robot or anything, whatever you want. Very good brain boosting activity and will keep them occupied for a longer time. Next is animal rescue from water. In a bowl put some water and animals or any toys. Tell them to transfer to another bowl using strainer or spoons. Simple yet great activity for hand-eye coordination. Now here's some simple DIY game activity. In this I have taken one cardboard box and have made circles and give him to hit. So for this I have used toy hammer and for other part I have used sock and inside I have filled with napkin. This is definitely a brain boosting activity. If you try, do let me know in comment section. And I have so many ideas. Will definitely share more brain boosting activity in my upcoming videos. Next up we have coloring activity. Here I have used same cutouts from previous activity and he is making ice cream cone from it. Next up we have car racing. Here I have taken tray from the kitchen and have made a track. It's really fun activity for them. Next activity has to do with water transfer. Here we have two bowls on a plastic sheet. In one bowl water is there. He is using big spoon and after that sponge to transfer the water. Again good activity for hand-eye coordination. Next activity is scribbling on a wall. Stick piece of paper on a wall and give them freedom to do scribbling on piece of paper because kids loves to do scribbling on a wall. This is very satisfying to their mind. Next up is the Uno cards. Definitely at this age they will not play actual game, but we can use as a learning activity with fun. Tell them to segregate cards according to colors and then you can also play match the numbers and it really helps them to teach color and numbers recognition. Next up is sensory play. This activity I have started recently and it's so amazing. Here I have taken rice with some beans. You can even use kinetic sand. We are working on uppercase and lowercase alphabets recognition. Here I have hide lowercase alphabets inside it and Arish has to find and match with uppercase alphabets. You can even hide other objects like shape, animals or anything which you are trying to teach according to child age. Next up is again using sensory bin. In this activity I told him to segregate beans from rice and told him to count. Make sure you are keeping on some mat, otherwise mess will be all around. And like this. Where is Wawa hand? Where is Wawa hand? There. Again, Wawa hide again. Up next, we have an activity using stickers. In this activity, I have made one wave on paper and sticks on a wall. He has to follow line and stick the stickers on that line. This will improve their writing skills as well. Next up is again using stickers. I have stick one set of stickers on a paper, and from other set he has to find a match and then have to stick. After sticking, we even played counting games because numbers are everywhere, so I even incorporated that in this. Awesome! See, Wolfish is in a water. Now let's count.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3.
Up next, we have a gluing the paper on a design. Here I have made picture of tree and gave him a glue made up of wheat flour. For that, take a little bit of wheat flour and add little water, and this is just to give him a little texture change. And he is sticking this cut paper on a design. After that, he is making his design and loving this color textured glue. Next up, we have a random water painting. I have given him waste plastic bottle to do a water painting using toothbrush, and after that we made a roller print from it. Kids love change and it's definitely a great activity. I definitely recommended once in a day outdoor play if possible, but in these COVID situations we can't do much, so we have to keep kids engaged at home in different activities. I hope you find this video helpful and got some ideas about activities with kids. If you enjoy it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. We'll see you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.